Hello, this is Roger Steinberg, Low Vision Product Manager here at HumanWare. Today I'm going to show you the touchscreen gestures that are available to you when you use your explorē 12 device in the optional folding stand. First, let's review two options for touchscreen that are available to you regardless of whether you're in the stand. The first is pinch and zoom, where you place two fingers on the screen and move them apart or bring them together to zoom out on the document. The next is the tap and hold, where I place a finger on the screen, hold it in place, and capture an image of what I'm viewing to save to the gallery for viewing later. The gestures that I want to show you that are specific to the reading stand are these. First is the ability to pan to the left and the right. Currently I'm in the left column of this document, but if I want to move over to the right column, I simply place my finger on the screen and drag to that column. Likewise, to get back, I do the same going the opposite direction. The second gesture I want to show you is the ability to get an overview of the document you're looking at. We do this by placing two fingers on the screen and dragging down, where we can zoom all the way out to a 1x view of the document, make adjustments to the portion that's showing, release, and then return to our prior zoom level. So there we are. We were able to find where we wanted to go, get there quickly with an overview gesture. The last gesture that I want to show you is a gesture that you can use when working with writing or manual tasks under the device. And this is an auto lock feature that will lock your focus. And we get this by double tapping on the screen, and you will see a lock icon appear. So now I can see that I can see the document. I can move it underneath here. I'm looking right now at a line here, the S corporations, and I want to come over and fill in box number 5. So I come underneath, and we are focused on the document down here, and my camera is not trying to focus on the pen or my fingers underneath. And this is really helpful so things stay in focus with what you're trying to read and write onto. To turn this temporary gesture off, double tap on the screen again, pinch and zoom, press a button. Any of those things, any device changes will cause that temporary lock to turn off. Now let's take a look at how we control these gestures. I will press and hold the orange contrast button at the bottom to get to my menu. If I've saved an image, I go to my gallery there, or I can take my finger and drag my menu up to get to my touchscreen options. And here is where I can turn on and turn off. Again, pinch and zoom, vibrations, and tap and hold are on by default. Vibrations I cannot show you with a video, but basically the device will vibrate when you get to the highest magnification or the lowest magnification available. And it will also vibrate to let you know you've done something. When you tap and hold to turn off, tap and hold there, the device will vibrate as well. The last option I want to show you with regards to touchscreen in the folding stand is pan buttons. Now these are off by default, but let's go ahead and turn them on right now and click the return button up here and come back out to our document, and let's place this form back underneath there again, and you'll see in the interface here that a button has appeared on the right and the left of my screen. If I tap the left button, I will be taken all the way to the left edge of my page, and that will allow me to start reading all the way on the left. And then if I tap it again, it will take me all the way to the right edge of my page so that I can see what's happening over there. So this can save me time navigating a document, getting where I need to go, and getting from the left to the right when I'm completing a form such as this tax form. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will take advantage of our other videos when you have the opportunity.